Ask 100 women what they want in a man and you get the same list. Kind, funny, honest, stable, good communicator. Now go look at who's getting the reply back at 11 at night. Different man entirely. And no, she wasn't lying to you. What she writes down and what she reaches for are two separate systems answering two separate questions. And nobody told you which one you were being graded on. Three gaps between the list and the choice. The third can't be faked and you are failing it without knowing. Few years back, Northwestern researchers had people write out exactly what they wanted in a partner, then drop them into a speed dating night with real strangers. Afterwards, they checked. Did the list predict who anyone actually wanted? It didn't. Not even close. There's a name for this. Stated preference versus revealed preference. What you say you want versus what you actually reach out for. Everybody runs both. Nobody knows it. Gap 1. She says, I want a kind man. She chooses the kind man who can still say no. On paper, kind means won't hurt me. In a room, kind means choose to be gentle when he didn't have to be. Harmless isn't kind. Harmless is just harmless. Kindness is what you do with power you are holding. So when you agree with everything, cancel your plans, never push back, you are not scoring points. You are proving there was nothing to give up. Keep the warmth. Add a spine. Say no to one small thing this week and watch the temperature move. That one is mechanical. This next one is where most of you are losing. Gap 2. She says, I want easy, no drama, a great communicator. She chooses the man who makes her feel something. The list is answering, would this be comfortable? Attraction is answering, is this alive? Comfort is for year 5. Chemistry decides week 1. You gave her a perfectly reasonable evening. Good questions, nice restaurant, zero friction. Then she told her friend, he's great. I just don't know. That isn't confusion. That's a body that never got asked a question. Conversation that only reassures is customer service. Tease her. Disagree once. Take her somewhere with a pulse. Which brings me to my friend Ray. Software engineer, good looking, remembers her birthday, never missed a message in 8 months. She left him for a guy who fixes bikes. Ray asked what the bike guy had that I didn't. Nothing on the list. The bike guy was just in the room. Ray had spent 8 months auditioning for a job he had already gotten. I broke that pattern down in my free handbook. It is called Why She Pulls Away and it teaches you the hidden psychology of attraction and how to become the man who doesn't get ghosted. It is in the description and it is completely free. Now the third gap. Nobody puts this on the list and it decides everything. Gap 3. She says, I want a man who's got his life together. She chooses the man who stays calm when it comes apart. Look at what a list can measure. Job, car, gym, stability, results. Now look at what she's reading across the table. What you do when the food comes out wrong, when it rains, when she's 20 minutes late and you just have to sit there. No woman alive has written must stay steady when the plans collapses. But that's the exam. Your resume impresses her. Your nervous system attracts her, and a nervous system can't hold a costume for 3 hours. So the list isn't a lie. It's written in a different language. She's describing a man she would be glad to have. Attraction is deciding about a man she's sitting across from. One is adjectives, the other is verbs. Every trait she named is real. She just wants it from a man who moves her first. The list is the filter. It was never the engine. Which is why polishing your paper resume has done nothing for you. You have been sanding the filter. I hope you now understand how it is. And if you want to learn more about how to get a woman obsessed with you, I have made a full free course for this. It is the biggest free attraction course on the entire internet. It is 100% free and the link is in the description. I hope you found this video informational. I am dating ASAP. Class dismissed.